Hello everyone, good morning. This week we are making wall hanging from cardboard. You can use CD also, satin ribbon, colored paper. I'm using black satin ribbon here, Fevicol, scissor and thread. So first, I've already prepared the cardboard in circular shape and a hollow in the center of the cardboard, and then secure the one end of the satin ribbon with the tape and then cover it with the ribbon. Cover the cardboard with the ribbon. And I am using here 1 inch broad black satin ribbon here. After covering it, just secure the other end with the tape. And now we will make some flowers. I'm using the simplest technique here, quilling flowers. So just I'm cutting a circle and then I cut spiral shape from this circle. I'm cutting 2 sheets together. You can cut separately. Then quill this spiral started from the outer end of the spiral. Just roll it inside, make a tight roll and then paste it with the other end. And after pasting, just hold it a while and prepare other flowers too. I am preparing 4 flowers, 2 bigger and 2 smaller with the same color because my base color is black, so I am using pink color sheet. Always use contrast color. After preparing flowers, I will prepare leaves also. So I am taking dark green sheet and I am cutting 2 bigger leaves, and from lighter color green sheet I am cutting 2 small leaves. Then I paste small leaves on the green leaves. And after pasting it, I'm making a slit in the center on the bottom side. Then paste them in overlap and then let them for drying. While they are drying, just prepare the thread for the hanging and paste the thread with the tape. I'm using here tape. You can use any adhesive, whatever you have, you can use that. Here I'm using masking tape. Now after pasting the thread, I will paste the flowers and decoration. I'm pasting 4 flowers here and 2 leaves. You can change the pattern also, and you can change the flowers also. If you want to make other flowers, you can make them. It's totally up to you, the decoration and the flowers. This is the only reference for you. Here I am using sticker stones in the central circle, and for the outer circle I will use some beads. You can use glitters, you can use any decorative item to decorate it. You can use also mirror here. If you have mirrors, you can use also mirror. After pasting it, just let it dry. Hope you like the activity, hope you like the technique. And one more idea, you can paste a photograph in the center also. So you can use it as a photo frame. So hope you like it. You must try this. Always try new ideas. Thank you.